Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zerolend token. Ticker symbol is Zero. Now this token is getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings on some very big central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on the Zerolend token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, you can see their Twitter right here at Zerolend XYZ. 1,350 tweets. A lot of tweets here. Gold verified check mark. 281,700 Twitter followers. Very popular project. Has a link to their webpage right there where you're going to find all the links. Zerolend.xyz. And yeah, their Twitter is at ZerolendXYZ. It says they've been audited by Halborn Security, Immutify, and Mundus Security. So lots of audits. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed on a bunch of different central exchange listings. So it has here that this token will be listed on Bybit. So today is May 5th, and it says May 6th, 6 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Bybit, which is a really huge central exchange. Also, this token will be listed 8 a.m. May 6th on Gate. Gate is also a huge central exchange. I believe also this token is being listed on Poloniex, I think Kucoin as well. And also, it was just announced that this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So it has a date right here for Mexc, and that is May 6th, 8 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So it says Zerolend, a DeFi lending market with domination on Linea, ZK Sync, Manta, X-Layer, and Blast. And this token will be coming to Mexc Global May 6th. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section once it gets listed, and then search the ticker symbol Zero, and then simply just buy the token. And I bet you this token will also be listed on a ton of other central exchanges that I haven't even seen yet, because those popped up, but I'm sure that there's more that I just haven't seen the listings for. So, very popular project right now. You can see by their huge Twitter following. So you can find them on Linea scan. It says max total supply, 100 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. Now, they have a web page that you can see right there, but once you go to the web page, you can also find a full document section. docs.zerolend.xyz. So it says, welcome to Zerolend, a comprehensive guide to our multi-chain, non-custodial lending platform, detailed token utilities, and innovative features. So Zerolend is the largest lending market on L2s, Linea, ZK Sync, Manta, Blast, and X-Layer, with a focus on liquid restaking tokens, lending governance, real-world assets, and account abstraction. So within the Zerolend ecosystem, the core products and features include DeFi lending, which is live, a decentralized non-custodial liquidity protocol enabling users to participate as liquidity providers and borrowers. Zerolend also aims to provide lending and borrowing on various supported assets across multiple chains. So there's also Zerolend governance involving the Zero token, which is the one being listed all over the place. So you could use that for governance. A governance system for governing the Zerolend protocol enabled by the Zero token. You can learn more about that in the Zeronomics, which is their tokenomics. Liquid restaking token lending, which is live. Users can deposit LRTs like EtherFi, Puffer, Renzo. I did a video recently on Renzo if you want to check out the Rez token. REZ is the ticker symbol for that one. And Kelp. I think I did a video on Kelp DAO maybe about a month or two ago as well. And you could take loans in stable coins or ETH. To know more about that, you can look at the LRT lending page. They also have the Zerolend protocol airdrops. Users who use the protocol will be eligible for the upcoming chain airdrops. Real world assets lending, which is live. Users can deposit RWAs and take over collateralized loans in the form of stablecoins or ETH. To know more about that, you can check out basically everything that I mentioned. You can check out their own little section on that. And lastly, also live is the account abstraction. This feature allows for gasless transactions, social logins, delegated transactions, etc. So they have their audit section you can check out. There's basic tutorials. There's yield strategies. They have a GitHub, Discord, Twitter link on their document section as well. Skip down to the Zeronomics here. It says Zero is a Linea ERC20 token serving as a utility and governance token within the Zerolend ecosystem and bridgeable to all chains using layer 0. So we already went over max total supply, 100 billion. Initial circulating supply is 25% of that, 25 billion. And they have the Linea scan on there, but basically the token utility for this token, you can use it for staking, protocol fees, incentives, and integration with the DeFi ecosystem, as well, of course, as governance. So go check out this project, docs.zerolend.xyz is where you're going to find all of the info. But basically, you'll be able to find this token all over the place very shortly. And Mexc Global will be one of them. So check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.